Hi viewers, are you looking enhance the beauty of functionality of your backyard pool? Well, look no further. In this video, we will explore 10 stunning pool landscaping ideas that will elevate your outdoor space and create a paradise for relaxation and entertainment. Number 1. Tropical Oasis. Create a slice of paradise by surrounding your pool with lush tropical plants such as palm trees, ferns, and colorful exotic flowers. Incorporate natural stone accents, a waterfall feature, and strategical placed lounge chairs to evoke a tranquil and tropical ambience. Number 2. Modern minimalism. For a sleek and contemporary pool design, opt for clean lines and minimalistic elements. Use concrete or tiled surfaces, complemented by geometrically shaped plants and low maintenance shrubs. Add modern seating, accent lighting, and statement sculpture for an ultra modern touch. Number 3. Mediterranean Retreat. Transport yourself to the Mediterranean with pool landscape inspired by coastal villas. Utilize terracotta tiles, elegant parasols, and vibrant bougainvillea for charming and romantic setting. Complete the look with comfortable outdoor furniture and a cozy fire pit for cozy evenings. Number 4. Zen houses. Embrace tranquility with a Zen inspired pool landscaping. Create a serene atmosphere using bamboo, Japanese maple trees, and ornamental grasses. Integrate natural elements like stone pathways, a small meditation area, and a cascading water feature to foster a sense of peace and harmony. Number 5. Desert Escape. Emphasize the natural beauty of arid landscapes with a desert themed pool area. Use cacti, succulents, and drought tolerant plants to create a low maintenance oasis. Add sand colored pavers, a desert themed seating area, and decorative borders to enhance the desert vibe. Number 6. English Garden. Infuse your pool area with the charm of a English garden. Incorporate blooming roses, fragrant lavender, and neatly trimmed hedges for a classic and elegant look. Integrate stone pathways, a gazebo, and wrought iron furniture to create a refined and timeless atmosphere. Number 7. Asian Fusion. Combine Eastern aesthetic and modern design by creating an Asian inspired pool landscape. Integrate bamboos, screens, bonasi trees, and minimalistic rock garden. Install a wooden deck, a traditional Japanese tea house, and lantern for a harmonious and visually captivating space. Number 8. Family friendly fun. Design a pool area that caters to the whole family. Include a shallow lounging area for kids, a water slide, and poolside play zone with a sand pit. Incorporate colorful umbrellas, outdoor games, and comfortable seating for parents to relax and supervise. Number 9. Coastal Paradise. If you love the beach, bring the coastal vibe to your pool landscape. Use a light colored decking, beach grasses, and nautical themed decoration. Install a cabana, hammocks, and beach chairs for a relaxed and coastal ambience perfect for sipping cocktails by the poolside. Number 10. Romantic Hideaway. Create an intimate and romantic pool setting for couples. Install a paragola draped with vines, string lights, and scented climbing flowers. Enhance the atmosphere with a small waterfall, a secluded seating area, and a hot tub for an enchanting and private retreat. Conclusion. Transforming your pool area into a captivating and inviting space does not have to be daunting. By implementing these 10 pool landscaping ideas, you can create a unique and personalized oasis that reflects your style, amplifies your relaxation, and makes your backyard the envy of the neighborhood. Thank you for watching.